Hello guys, this is Rasmi Ranjan from Ceylon Software. So today we will discuss two main topics on graphs, that is box plot and distribution plot. So what is box plot? Box plot is generally looks like this. If there are any outliers to the box plot, it looks like this. Okay, so what is the then comes what is the 5-point summary? So what is 5-point summary of the box plot? So what is the 5-point summary here? This is minimum value, this is 25 percentile value, this is 50 percentile value, this is 75 percentile value, and this point is max value. So if there are any outliers, the max value turns to this one. If there are any outliers to the left hand side, the mean value turns out to be this. Okay, so now you have known the 5-point summary, and this is also called median value. So what are actually these 25 percentile, 50 percentile and 75 percentile? Okay, so 25% of data lies behind this. Similarly for 50 percentile and 75 percentile. Actually this 50 percentile and 75 percentile data lies behind this scenario. 50 percentile behind this data, 75 percentile behind this data lies behind this. Okay, so next we will talk about distribution plot. Now you can look into the distribution plots. So what are distribution plots? Okay, so distribution plot. So distribution plot is generally associated with probability density function. So generally associated with probability density function. Okay, so here the graph looks like this. For a generalized way, the graph looks like this. It is called normal distribution curve, also called bell curve. Okay, this is called normal distribution curve or bell curve. Here the mean and median lies in the center. Mean and median value lies in the center. But you will, in real life scenarios, you will find right skewed graph and a left skewed graph. So what is right skewed and what is left skewed graph? Okay. So what is right skewed? The right skewed graph looks like this. Generally looks like this. What is left skewed? Left skewed graph looks like this. It is called right skewed because the tail is in right position. It's the tail which is in right position, and this is the tail in left position, so it is called as left skewed. Normally the variable is written here, variable name is written here, and the density function is here, the density of the plot. Normally the name represents variable name, variable or feature name, and the density lies within this point. So this is all about probability density functions and distribution plots. So guys, please do like and subscribe our channel and have a good day. Thanks.